All right, we're taking a look at another trading L that I took on a short. This is my second loss that I've taken on this account. I funded the account with around $1,800. I have taken 5 trades so far and I've lost every single one. So let's take a quick look at what might have happened during this trade. During this process, I'm going to be trying to trade trend reversals. If you look at where we were in the chart at this point in time, we had a trend upward. We started to tag this resistance level here. If I clip the bar forward some, we saw the trend start to lose momentum right around here. We tapped this point twice. We had a break of structure, but it didn't hold, and it looked like we were coming back down. So this is the point where I was thinking, let's get into a short. We had this uptrend, and I was going to try to trade the reversal of that. If you continue to play the bar forward, you will see we had this trend break right here. So I was looking at this OG sell signal, and I was looking at these fair value gaps. At this point, the uptrend has faltered and is starting to reverse. I have down here my rules, which is at least one average IDX below 25, which we're seeing. We do have an OG highlight. We do have some fair value gaps forming, bearish fair value gaps. I did not mark out the Fibonacci retracement for this trade, which probably would have been a good thing to do. So we see the trade uptrend begin to stagger off, and we see a change of character here with some candles fighting to take control. At this point, we had another bearish candle and another bearish fair value gap. Here is where I tried to place my entry for the short, thinking that we were exhausted on this uptrend and coming back down. I get tagged in at about the midpoint of this fair value gap, and price begins to move my direction a little bit before quickly reversing and dagging me out here. So I think that I was a little early on the entry. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, there was this a large bullish fair value gap that we were dipping into. My hope was that we were going to see more of a dip into that fair value gap before reversal, but it was tested very lightly here at the top of it, and then price picked up bullish again and tagged me out for a loss. It was a small loss. I only lost $4.74 on the trade. Not a terrible trade, even though it was an L. I followed most of my rules. So yeah, that is trading L number 2.